Hello everybody, this is the Tumble Doctor and I'm coming to you today to talk about back handsprings. Yes, if you are a parent, I know you feel like your baby can throw that back handspring by herself, but every time she goes to throw it, she either lands on her head or she doesn't throw it at all. What I want to do today, I want to set and establish a baseline for 6 drills, skills, exercises, whatever you want to call them. Your athlete, or you, the athlete, should be able to perform all 6 of these moves with the given number of reps. If you can, then yes, you are strong enough to throw a back handspring. If, however, you struggle with these moves, then in my opinion, that's what you need to focus on and not worry about your back handspring just yet. So let's get into the first exercise. Number 1, your handstand. Now, I know you think your little baby has mastered their handstand, but I am here today to check. The first thing that your athlete should be able to do, they should be able to kick up against the wall. Again, kick up against the wall, not put a hole in your wall, but control themselves and kick up against the wall and hold a handstand for 30 seconds. Now, I know you didn't just think I was gonna talk about it. This video is to make them do it, or you do it. Parents, I challenge you as well. Here we go. We have a 30-second handstand. Again, the idea is to have control. You're not going to punch a hole through the wall. I don't want any mamas coming after the Tumble Doctor like, look what my baby did to the wall because you said to do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we are up. Now, the whole idea of holding a handstand for 30 seconds is having arms strong enough to save you if you're dying. If you don't have the arm strength to hold yourself up for 30 seconds, I can understand why you wouldn't feel confident going backwards into your back handspring. For me, the old man here, I feel good, actually. It's a little weird talking upside down, but I could do this all day. I will tell you right now, one of my goals is to be the oldest man, set a Guinness Book of World Records to do a back handspring. What is my key gonna be? What's the strategy? 30-second handstands, bruh. Man, I don't know how long it's been, but we're almost there, I do believe. You'll see with your athlete that their arms start shaking, and they might feel a little uncomfortable. Too bad. That was past 30 seconds.
Sure was.
How did that 30 seconds treat ya? Did you make it through? If so, that's awesome. If not, I want you to stop the video right here and focus on those 30 seconds against the wall. If that is the problem for your athlete, if their arms are not strong enough and somebody is telling you as a parent or you as the athlete that they have a mental block, they're lying. They actually have what we like to call a body block. They don't want to go backwards because their body isn't strong enough to go backwards. So the mind, as one of those organs that's primary function is to protect us, is not going to allow you to go backwards if you don't have the strength. Unless you're crazy, because there's some crazy people that do that. I was one of them. Now, here's the second one. It is a 3-second handstand. Your athlete should be able to kick up, controlled, hold their handstand for 3 seconds, and then come back down. Do it along with me. Here we go. Yeah! Drill number 3. We like to call this drill backbreakers. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, I'm standing up right now. I am too old to play these games, so we have 2 beautiful, powerful athletes.
Hi, I'm Destiny. Hi, I'm Melissa.
Now they're gonna do the work for me on this one, bro. Yes, indeed. So for our backbreakers, the idea is your athlete is gonna push up into a bridge. And then when they are up in their bridge, the first variation of it, they're gonna just step 1 foot up, 1 foot up, 1 foot down, 1 foot down. If you are doing this at home, you can stack some phone books, get creative, something that's roughly a foot off the floor. So, athletes, will you lay on your back for me, please, here? Yep. Push up into your bridge for me. And then give me 3 step ups and downs. Yes, indeed. Stepping up, stepping down. Good, good, beautiful. Yep. And then once you finish that third one, you can come on down. Lovely. So that is our first variation. We'll say that is level 1. The level 3 version of this, what they're gonna do, they're gonna push up into a bridge, jump up onto the mat, and then jump down. 3 of those for me, please. Ladies, thank you, appreciate you. Yep, so you hop up, boom, and then down. Yes. Up, down, one more, and up, and down. Look, they are in sync. I love it. Yes. So we have those 2 variations. In my humble opinion, your athlete should be able to do 10 of those as the prereq for the back handspring. If they're struggling with this, you better believe they're gonna struggle with their back handspring. 4, pretty much the same thing. It's a back breaker, another variation. Instead of the feet stepping up and then jumping up and down, now we're gonna do the hands. I really like this drill because a lot of athletes have a fear of going backwards. So when they get used to dropping from a higher surface to a lower surface and they get confident with that, and then they also can hold a 30-second handstand against the wall, then they know my back is strong enough and my arms are strong enough to handle the back handspring. Having that confidence is everything. So here we go. The athletes are gonna lay on their backs for us. Yes, indeed, thank you, ma'am. And they're gonna just push up to their bridge, step up, and then down 3 times. 2, oh yes, and 3, thank you ladies, you can come on down, yes. So that is the first variation of the drill. Here's the second one, and they haven't done this one yet, so let's see what happens. You're gonna push up both hands, and then jump down both hands 3 times, please, thank you. Let us eat. Oh, okay, oh, okay, you took like extra hop there, yes. Down, yep, jeez. Do you see why I have the young bloods doing this? This back does not bend like that anymore. That is drill number 4. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate your help. Drill number 5, a personal favorite. Matter of fact, parents, this drill should drive you crazy. Your athlete should be doing this all around the house, and you are going mad. But at the same time, you are saving time, money, energy, and effort because their back handsprings are getting stronger. Once again, I have enlisted my 2 great friends here. Oh man, I can still do this, I just won't. So we're gonna drop it on down, all the way down. Here is our bridge walk. In my opinion, your athlete should be able to take 20 steps in their bridge walk. I don't know if they knew that they were gonna take 20. I just got some evil eyes. Too bad, let us eat. Yes, ladies, go ahead and lay on your back. And we're gonna push up into those bridges and we're gonna walk it out. Yes, all the way down. Ooh wee. My back hurts just walking here. Doesn't really make sense, but their back handsprings are getting stronger. Just like that. Bridge walks, number 5. Number 6. In my head, this is a duh, but you would be surprised how many people struggle with this and then they try to have the nerve to tell me, I need to work on my back handspring. You need to work right here. This is your classic back bend. Once again, can the Tumble doctor do one? Is he gonna do one? I have my 2 beautiful, lovely assistants here. So the first variation, nice and easy. They're gonna start with their feet apart, and they're just gonna give us a back bend. Go for it. Okay, you can come down or up, whatever you want to do. Yes, indeed. Thank you. Beautiful. Wow. The timing, and they just cleaned. Here is the kicker, because we don't want kids to do back handsprings and go, with their legs apart. So what they are going to do for us now, they're going to start with their feet together. Let us eat. Woo! I'm a fan. Y'all can come down. Yes, I'm a fan. Love it. Wow. So that was drill number 6. I hope all of these drills and exercises have helped you, and I look forward to putting out another video for you. Let us eat. But first, ladies, please drop your Instagrams.
Mine's alyssa.kuiper.35. Jesse1702.
Thank you.